Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a collab here with Kane Brown and Marshmello. So it's a little bit up-tempo here, miles on it. So yeah, we're gonna put some miles on this one. We have a 4-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that. So let's take a look at the chords. No need for any capo here. So we're gonna start with A sharp. Go for the sus version because we're lazy and it fits great in the song. Doesn't hurt too much. So it's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the 1st fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here. So the 5 strings below you have to. And then add the 3rd D and 3rd G. Next chord is another bar chord, F. This time you bar all strings on the 1st fret, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have D minor next. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And I like to give you this technical stuff here. When I go from F to D minor, I keep that middle finger here on the 2nd G string from the F and then just do like this. Magically, very easy. So that's the D minor. Anyway, next chord is C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so I showed you 2 different versions of the strumming here. One is more emphasized on the rhythm, and that is what I suggest. I play that first on the introduction tutorial, and then I switch to the other one. You can choose. So if you grab the 1st chord, A sharp, I suggest you play this one. Okay, so that is down, up, clap, up. That is 1 round. So you can also play down, up, and emphasize the 2nd last down there. So that down replaces the clap. So you play down, up on the bass string, and then the down you want to emphasize, you play more on the top higher strings, higher notes down there, and go back on the bass. So down, up, down, up, down, up. That works as well, but I suggest you do the clap. Anyway, you're gonna play 2 string rounds of the following chords: A sharp, F, D minor, and C. And that's it. A couple round goes like this. And that's it, guys. Came around, Marshmello, miles on it. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.